Yo guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video, we'll be talking about tropical depression, tropical storm, typhoon actually now, 27W high, Namachon, or whatever it's called, and tropical cyclone to S, Trenta, or whatever its name is. Sorry I'm pronouncing these wrong, guys. I don't know any of these names, but this is meant to become a major hurricane, I think. Major typhoon. Now, whether it's gonna carry on doing that turn, or whether it's gonna take a turn like that, we don't really know. The track could change. The high pressure system is up here, which is pushing it up this way right now. But that high pressure system could change over to here and become strong and push the system more west northwest over here. If the high pressure system is like this, if the high pressure system was like this, how it was last year, it would push the system like that basically, or basically would push the system like that and out to sea like that. But if it was very, 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 very weak like that, then obviously it would go out towards the ocean like that. Now, because it's out towards the ocean like this, the high pressure system is weak over here. Whereas a medium high pressure system is, so it should go out. But maybe it might push itself and go like that. And communicate more ace, if you see what I mean. 94W, yeah, that's not really looking as good in the Bay of Bengal. But I will show you, satellite imagery of Typhoon Namatoh. So what you want to do is you want to go into Weather Nerd Satellite. Weather Nerd Satellite, yeah. Right, now what you want to do is new storm floaters. Right. What you want is Western Pacific. Now you can try and see an eye trying to pop out just there. If you keep watching, boom, you should see an eye-like feature starting to form somewhere around here. Watch this bit and this bit here. Watch, boom, eye-like features. Just watch this bit right here and this bit here. See, eye-like features are starting to... banding is actually really good. You got all this minus 90-degree cloud tops right now. If it exceeds to minus 60 and downwards like that, then it's breathing. But if it goes up like that, then it's not breathing. So if it ends up moving basically north like that, so these cloud tops here aren't touching 90s, aren't touching 80s or 50s, but touching 30s and 20s, then it's not really good for the system, to be honest. But a weakening system will take at least 60 to 50-degree cloud tops, at least that. I saw some tropical storms had like, I don't know, 30 to 40, which is bad. The cloud tops, but you want storms that have higher cloud tops, which are pointing right down to minus 90-degree cloud tops, or maybe even minus 100 if you're lucky. Minus 100's yellow or white, I think. So, because you do see got some nice out banding in this system. You got nice southwards banding, nice northwards banding, nice ventilation. No, there is actually no dry air around this system at all, basically. If you have a look, basically, there is no dry air whatsoever. So yeah. This red stuff here is basically the strongest parts of the water vapor. Now, the weakest part of the water vapor is because this is having moisture. All the blue bits is flowing moisture into the circulation. Now, you're probably thinking, with Sam, yes, there was a bit of orange in the center. That was because of the eye wall. That's because the eye was dry. The eye needs to be wet. The eye is always dry in systems, I think. I'm not quite sure. I'll try and have a look, see if eyes are dry. But usually this bit here is the wettest, this bit here is the wettest, and the middle bit, this bit and this bit are also the wettest. So basically the outside of the system is always the wettest. So basically this bit's the wettest, even this bit and this bit. But this bit's the driest. You got all the moisture here, which is basically all this moisture here is stopping that dry air from infiltrating the system here, which is if dry air goes inside of the center, it will make the center collapse. If you know what I mean, like it will tilt the system. The system will start to weaken. Like say it was a category 5, and there was loads of dry air in this system, and the system just kept getting drier every single day. It'll eventually start to rapidly weaken from a category 5, maybe down to nothing, or even if it's a tropical storm and it just manages to get out of the dry air and start rapidly intensifying again. By the time it does that, it'll probably move into colder waters and maybe become a Cat 3 as its secondary peak, and then, and then go out towards the sea again. That's what some major hurricanes do, but yeah, most of this bit here is breathing well. Like this bit here is breathing well, which is good news for the system. Same with this bit here at the top. It's breathing well. It's nicely moistured, which is good news. Now, I would show you the visible loop because it's night time in, there right now. I can't really show you. But, it actually does look really. This is one of the best looking storms ever. I mean, forget Felicia. To be honest, I think Sam, Ida, Felicia, whatever you want to call it, Felicia or Felicia, whatever. I think, yeah, Suagay, the one that reached 190 miles an hour this year. Don't know which one it was. I think the one that hit the Philippines. But yeah, most of the systems were all weak this year. Well, obviously, the South Indian Ocean, yes, this is that tropical storm. Yes, it's got dry air near it. Not really looking as good as I thought it would have been. Like, I thought it would be breathing right now. Turns out, it's not. Turns out, see, it's based. I'll tell. This is what I mean about dry air. Dry air is all here, right, infiltrating on this system here. See, you can kind of see a rotation here. So that dry air is going into the rotation and making all the convective cloud tops only go on one side. Now, when it does that, it means the system is tilting. So once the system tilts, it can't really have time to intensify or go through rapid intensification, which means it either weakens or stay at the same intensity. Now, I don't know if it would stay at the same intensity or not, but yeah, this formed earlier on today. I think this formed when I was at school, guys, because when I looked this morning when I was on the bus, it kind of did. It kind of formed, like it didn't form. So I will show you the NHC though, because we are meant to be having a system next week. Now, whether they marked it on, I don't know, but they haven't. So if I show you tropical bits quickly, because I'm gonna have to end this video soon, guys. I'm gonna have to edit it. It'll take ages to edit. So yeah. So obviously you got the two high pressure systems here. One here near the Azores, one here near Bermuda. Now, as you can see, the one near Bermuda retracts, and then obviously becomes a strong high pressure system. Which now you see something here with it's elongated. We'll just keep watching it. Just keep watching. Keep watching. Boom. And it's a low pressure system that does try and form. And then if you keep watching again. Most of them it does want to form. GFS wants this to form. And it lasts for the 24th of December. Now, we don't know whether this will be the first auxiliary naming list. Now, I don't know whether it's going to be an El Nino next year. Here, I'll do it in red because El Nino is red, isn't it? So, I don't know whether there's going to be an El Nino here next year. If there is, it's going to suppress the Atlantic, which we need suppressed activity in the Atlantic anyway, to start off with. Because the US has suffered 2017, 18, no, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 2021. 6 years we've been above average. Last year was hyperactive. 2017 was hyperactive. This year has been hyperactive as well, actually. So, the hyper system which is there. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, see you in the next video. Guys, peace and have a good day.